Hey guys and girls, welcome back to Keep It Spicy. Today we'll be making shootie bread and we're going to show you how to make it several different ways. So get ready for the new shootie bread channel.
Shootie bread is not just our dynamic cornbread. You can make it so many different ways. So we're going to show you the versatility and ease of shootie bread. That's the reason we invented this dynamic cornbread, because it does so much. You must have a container in your refrigerator and a container in your freezer. It lasts for 6 months in the freezer. No other cornbread mix has been made like this. It's pre-mixed, pre-made for you to use. So we're going to show you how to make a dessert with this dynamic shootie bread. So this is going to be our
Cast iron skillet.
And we call it shootie bread cake. So you can use blueberries, cherries, he loves cherries, peaches, apples, blackberries, but today we're going to use
Sweet potatoes. And as you can see, I have it's already mixed up. I got pecans in here and pineapples.
and smashed it and added some seasonings.
Yeah, I added some brown smoke, keep it spicy brown sugar. And then I'm going to pour it in the skillet.
This is so easy, you guys.
I'm going to spread it like a cake. We're going to spread it around.
Shootie bread was invented to make your lives a lot easier for you to eat healthier at home. Because this way you can control what goes in your food when you're cooking at home. But when you're out in a restaurant, you don't know what they're putting in your food. They could say no MSG and still add MSG. This way it's going to be healthier and the way that you want it to taste without having to add, the salt and pepper. And wish you had some of our granulated onion and some of our dynamic granulated garlic. So all he did was just add it.
As you can see, I just added
Sweet
some
potatoes
in there.
And it's got
Look at that.
pecans and pineapples and some delicious spices in there, including our gourmet smoked brown sugar. So now you're just gonna add.
Give the shootie bread just a little shake.
Now this is our shootie bread without the corn kernels. Shootie bread does come in different ways. This is the sweetened version of our shootie bread. We got so many customers that like, I call it old school cornbread, which my husband loves. It's the cornbread that doesn't have any sugar at all. I'm sorry, I've been eating. The cornbread doesn't have any sugar at all. It's just old school cornbread like my grandmother used to make and his grandmother. So what we did is we combined both of their recipes to come up with this dynamic mix that's pre-mixed, pre-made, sold in your refrigerator section. And you can purchase this on our website, which is KeepItSpicy.com. KeepItSpicy.com.
Now I'm just gonna pour this on her 4 or 5 different times.
Just little spots.
Spots, yeah. See how easy that pour. You're gonna just shake it, and then we're gonna answer that phone also.
we're gonna put that phone on hold.
Then we're gonna just spread it out just a little bit. Then we're gonna put just a little bit in the middle. Now this is all is gonna bake up. Now
this is what it looks like. Shootie bread on top.
Now see how it looks? Shootie bread's on top. Look at that.
And we're gonna sprinkle with just a little bit more of our gourmet smoked
brown sugar.
Just to get that little crust and crunch on top. You want to add some pecans on it too, honey? Just bake it like this.
Just a little bit even.
You want a few more pecans on top?
Just a little bit.
Pecans and brown sugar go so well together. So it's got some cinnamon, a little nutmeg, and the sweet potato mixture. But we wanted the shootie bread to stay like that. You want to show them? We're going to pop this in the oven for about 20 to 30 minutes. It depends on the heat of your oven. This is a, 7-8 inch cast iron skillet, so it won't take very long. We'll show you the end result. Stay tuned because we will be showing you the versatility of how you can use our dynamic cornbread. See you in a minute.
I will be baking this for about on 350 degrees.